Hello, thanks for joining us. If you're new to the channel, I'm Chado.
And I'm Samantha.
And today we're going to launch our boats at the end of our street right into the North Thompson River, spend the day paddling and just find a random spot on the side of the river to set up camp and spend an overnighter. We hope you enjoy the video because I know we're going to enjoy making it. And if you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, thanks. All right, we're making our way down to the river. It's only about 2 or 3 blocks from our house, which is pretty nice. The last time we tried to do this, the water was so low that we had to cross a half a mile of beach before we could even get to the water, which was incredibly hard with all our gear in the kayaks. But the water is really high right now, and our launch point is just right off the side of the road. So that's gonna be really nice. Hey, silver punch buggy, I can't get you.
Oh, you suck.
I know. It's actually cool, this little spot that we're launching from the riverside. It's almost like entering like a little cave or something.
Oh.
You go under this archway of trees and bushes.
Oh.
It's really cool.
I think you can get
All right, so we're at the launch point. The water's even higher than it was the last time I was here, which is pretty crazy. All right, we are in the water. We're just in this little, I'm gonna call it a cove right now. Have a look around. It's just at the end of our street.
Jesus, she got you good.
Yeah, it's almost like a little happy face, even though it's not very happy. Kitten attacked me this morning. I guess she didn't want to come. Actually, no. Kitten got wrapped up in a grocery bag, all twisted in it and wrapped up. And when we tried to help her, she freaked out and she clawed at me. And it bled pretty good. But it looks like a little happy face. That's awesome. Hello.
Hi.
Aren't you lucky?
Oh yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you, we will. So we're just going to make sure that we've got everything set up right and we're comfortable. I was worried about my boat being a little bit off balance, but I think I'm okay. I have a lot of heavy gear right now. And I think we're good to go. So this should be fun, hopefully. Smirnoff. For the beer can counter? It's not a beer can, but when I look this way, it doesn't look like much. I look at you and it's like, yeah, we're paddling, la-di-da, and then I look over here and it's like, look, the water is doing something weird in there. Yeah, I'm gonna go check that out. Whoa. Ooh. I know, right? It feels super weird. Yeah. You just gotta accept it and go with it. So it called for rain today, and I think this is the rain we're gonna get. That looks like the only big cloud in the sky. This is what we call a Kamloops thunderstorm. Packed my rain gear for this. Oh yeah, those are big drops.
They are. Those big ones are cool.
Sun showers. This is normally all walking path to get to the beach. It looks like we might be able to go down this way a little bit. You gotta pull your rudder up for it though. Oh, I'm already touching. I'm not getting down there any farther. Are you clear? He's following you? Hey bud, you gonna come camping with us? He's looking right at us. She's like, what are you guys doing? What the hell are those things? They're the weirdest humans I've ever seen. Yeah, this should be a good one. That's a lot of water moving there. Just don't get caught in that whirlpool. No, that big one, right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Woo! I'm wet! Oh! Holy crap! And I was thinking, you know, I'm not going to do that if I've got Kitten. Good thing. Yeah, that actually almost tipped me there. Alright, we just stopped here at Rabbit Island for a quick snack. We saw a nice little place that maybe we could have landed, which would have been really cool, but whatever, we missed it. It might be too shallow to get in there, but it still looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
I don't even know how that's possible.
I don't know either.
Like, it goes way into the water. It's like 4 feet long, maybe a little bit bigger than 4 feet, and somehow it just got right through the friggin' dolly. I have no idea how that happened. That's craziness.
That was weird. My feet have a tread. Look at my footprint and see my toes.
Yeah. I don't know if that's getting it. I can't see what the screen sees.
It's a perfect footprint.
With tread.
Yeah, with tread.
Anyways, it's time to make our way down to the lake and look for a place to spend the night. This would have been a really nice spot to come into for lunch, but there's actually a couple of geese in here. Probably trying to raise the babies or something. Hey babe? Well, these geese, they probably have eggs and like a nest in here somewhere, right? So it's probably a good thing we didn't come in here for lunch. As nice as it would have been, The river's super high here. I'll post a video of the last time we came through here and give you guys an idea of how high the river actually is right now. Not sure what's going on, but we got some noisy cows over here. Jesus. Yeah. Sorry? Oh, there's stumps just right under the water, so be careful. Huh. This water's gross. You look funny with your jacket over your life jacket. This would actually be a great spot to camp out. This little house here. Pretty sure it's on somebody's property, so we can't actually camp here, but that'd be kind of cool actually. Okay, we've reached the mouth of Kamloops Lake and the water's really high and we're looking up ahead and we don't really see anything that looks like it's going to be a good camping spot. So we've decided that we're going to go back, and there's a farmer's field just a little bit behind us. It's pretty flooded in, and we think if we stay just on the edge of the property just past his fence, we don't think anybody's going to come out there because everything out there is so flooded. So I think that's our best bet. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Yay, stealth camping.
Yeah. Sam was like, yeah, we should stealth camp here, and I was like, oh, it looks good, but I don't want to get yelled at. But I think we're gonna have to risk getting yelled at. Maybe we can sweet talk him if he does come out. Maybe Sam can sweet talk him. And I'll go find a club just in case things go bad.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna turn around. We're gonna make our way back to that, just the edge of that guy's property. It's all nice and grassy. It looks really nice for a tent. There's lots of wood. We'll be able to get a fire going in no time. So we're gonna turn around and go there. Yeah, this looks like a really nice little spot. Yeah, this is a little better. Let's have a look here. Holy crap. Holy crap. There's definitely plenty of wood. There's a huge pile of crap over here. What do you think here? Or should we set up the tent? The ground is really sticky and...
Yeah, over there it's fast.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, there's lots of sticks.
And for anybody watching, by sticky I mean there's a lot of sticks.
Yeah.
It's not sticky to walk through.
That's what I thought you meant.
Oh, no.
And then I thought...
Right, we found our spot. We just went and had a look around to see if we could find a better place to set up our tent that's not just right in the open. You can see we're just right on the water's edge. And I'm pretty sure this is somebody's property, so I kind of wanted to be in there somewhere, but it's just full of sticks and cow poop, and it's not a good spot to set up the tent. So we're gonna set up the tent here and hopefully nobody comes and harasses us. See what happens.
off the water when we did, because this is insane. Holy man. And then they come by and make some more waves. Holy. Yeah, this is windy. I don't know how windy it is.
This wind is almost as intense as I am.
We got craziness everywhere. And then I put some again. I'm gonna lose my phone. Goodbye. Okay, so we're gonna go and explore a little bit, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, we're waiting for the wind to calm down, so we're gonna have a look around, and on the way back we're gonna bring some firewood over by the tent. I'll start getting it ready. But yeah, it's still a little bit too windy for the fire right now, but this is kind of cool. It's like a lake in here almost, so we're just on the side of the river. It's kind of neat.
Gonna navigate the poops.
Yeah, there's poop everywhere, so basically what I think up there's gonna be some poop.
Whoa. That tree fell apart. It was a seat. Oh, interesting. I am.
Almost, except there's more poop.
Yeah, of course there's, whoa, a lot more poop here.
Yeah, but this would be a cool little spot. Here you got a bench.
Yeah,
This is perfect.
whole bench there. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna get very far. It looks like there's water up there.
You know what we should do before we leave here tomorrow?
What?
Just paddle around in through here a bit.
Yeah, it's kind of neat. I was.
It's kind of like Cowpie Lake, except
It
on
is.
the opposite side.
Yeah, it is. What are we gonna call this one? It's gonna have to be like something to do with the farmer's field.
Flooded Farmers Field.
Okay, I guess we'll just call it the flooded farmer's field then.
Like it's still windy.
No, I don't want to. It is still windy.
It's still windy over there, but it is nice
No.
and calm here.
Yeah, but this, no, we can't because this is stagnant water and there's massive mosquitoes here.
Okay.
I think it's better over there. Yeah.
I'm gonna grab some firewood, because there's poop everywhere. I'm using gloves. I always think about what Dave told me when getting kindling is get what you think you need and then get 5 times more. So that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Did find some
What?
could find some bark birch if you want. The joke is that Sam says that sometimes. Accidentally. So we're just hanging out in the tent right now because it is crazy windy out. The tent almost blew over. We tried to put the fly on, and we basically turned our tent into a friggin' wind sail.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna hang out in the tent here for a little bit, and the wind is supposed to calm down eventually.
Couple hours.
Couple hours, so
Hopefully
you know.
sooner.
Yeah, hopefully sooner. I'm hungry. Took a lot of work to get here. We saw this spot and just went right past it thinking what a nice spot that is. and then realized that we weren't going to find anything better any farther up the lake, so
Yeah.
so we decided to come here. Hopefully we're not on anybody's property. I keep saying that, but I think we're all right. I don't think anybody's gonna give us a hard time. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out for a bit, wait for this wind to die down, then we'll start some cooking, which I'm really looking forward to.
Yeah, me too. I want some steak.
Yeah, steak and potatoes.
Yummy.
It's a man's dinner. And a woman's dinner.
Oh, man's dinner.
So this is
Fire
cool.
bomber.
We're gonna watch these jets come in from our front door, I guess.
A lot of water bombers.
A wobble bomber?
A wobble bomber?
Bobber bomber.
Water bombers? I think that's what they're called.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what
yeah,
we
yeah.
always call them. But
Water
they literally,
bombers.
they don't drop water though. They drop fire retardant on the fire.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe sometimes they do water, but I've only seen the helicopters with the big water bucket
Yeah.
before. So, yeah, they
Yeah.
call them water bombers.
But they spray fire retardant.
It's fire retardant.
Yeah. Fire retardant, not fire retarded. That's me.
Yeah.
Right, I got the fire prepped out. I have to clean up some of my mess still. But... So we found a bunch of bark birch. So yeah, let's see if I can get this thing going first try. Well, I guess I was able to start a fire first try. That's insane. Once this little stuff burns off and I put the bigger pieces on there, this won't be quite so bad. But that's crazy. The whole point of having this little fire pit is that we don't have this kind of stupidity. Right? Like, yeah, it's slowly calming down. By tomorrow, it should be fine. So I don't know if I'm gonna put that thing with the big fireball in my face in the video, but if it does end up making it in there, yeah, I just learned something. Actually, I knew. Sam had just said about when wind is blowing, or how'd that work again? When the wind is blowing and somebody stands in front of the fire, or no, just standing in front of the fire creates a vortex, which is why the smoke always comes back at you when you stand in front of the fire. So when I put the wind block around the fire pit thinking I was going to help it, it just blew that flame right back in my face, which was kind of freaky actually. That's like the second kind of close call thing I've had today because of Dumas. Foolishness. Didn't mean for that to happen. That was super not cool. But, you know, live and learn. So I learned something today, a couple of times. So, when we were setting up the tent, Sam found this little thing right here.
I was like, oh, what's that?
Yeah, and so she spun it open and there's like a little note curled up inside it. And I was like, no, let's get it on video and see what it is. So we totally forgot about it. It's been like 2 hours at least, I think. And we forgot this thing even existed till she reached into her jacket.
Yeah.
So let's see what we got.
I was like, what's this?
Oh, it poked you?
Yeah, I was like, oh yeah, there's something poking in it. Because it's poking.
Okay.
So yeah, there's a little paper in here.
Little paper. I see writing inside, I think.
I think I do
I see
too.
some
This
writing.
This is interesting.
So we found a message in a bottle, message in a bullet. It's kind of like a little bullet. Message in a bullet. That'd be a
Yeah.
good name for a video too.
I thought it was like one of those little lighter things that we have.
Oh, okay. What the?
Oh, I think we're supposed to like sign and date when we found it or something.
Oh,
I think that's what this
unfold
is.
it more.
I think there's just a bunch of papers here.
Matt Boo Boo. Whoops. I don't know. Something. 19 November 12.
So Sister Karen, August 10th, 2012. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Woman. It looks like it says. It looks like it says Woman Tracker.
Woman Tracker. Okay.
Yeah. And then,
Bowler Duo.
yeah.
May.
2014.
We're definitely gonna have to sign it. Oh,
Yeah.
the sun has blinded me, because that's kind of cool, actually.
That is kind of neat.
So I wonder if somebody just like threw it in a river, and like it doesn't say we should put,
Does
you
it
know,
float though? Like,
I don't know.
I'm really confused. Was it on a floaty thing?
Maybe it was.
Maybe it was connected to something floaty.
Okay.
'Cause I don't think this floats.
All right. A little bit of hot chocolate. Can't help but think of Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. You see what God just did to me, man? Sorry. I'm a dumbass. I've also got cream in there if you want to put a little cream in it. You don't really like the cream. I do. Gives it a creaminess. It also helps to cool it down because this water's hot. Perfect. To the line in both cups. This tiny little pot does both our cups perfectly.
It's insane.
It's so cool. We actually bought that little set off of Amazon because when we started buying all our gear was in 2020 after the friggin' pandemic hit, so we weren't gonna stand in line at the friggin' Walmart and wait for hours just to get camping gear. Here you go, babe. So we got all our stuff off of Amazon, and we got this little set just sort of thinking that we were gonna try it out and maybe it'd be okay. It was only about 50 bucks for a little pot pan and the tea kettle. It came with a little burner, which is really only good for boiling water. But this little set has actually been really awesome. I cook over fires with it, and not even just the small fire. We've cooked over a large campfire and it doesn't melt the plastic. I'm actually really happy with this set, so that was awesome. The fact that it fills both our cups is a bonus.
By this point, we were both pretty hungry and starting to get tired, so we didn't get much footage of the rest of our evening. But we enjoyed our steak and potatoes while we watched the sunset, then spent the rest of the evening sipping our hot chocolates and relaxing on this little piece of heaven. It truly was the perfect end to an amazing day. Unfortunately, I have to end the video here or else it's going to be way too long. So we hope you enjoyed part 1 of our little trip, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And also, send us a comment and let us know what you thought. Stay tuned for part 2 of our adventure coming soon.